His courage inspired a revolution, not of violence, but of thought and conviction.
Rizal may be from the past, but his impact is alive.
The kabataan are the pag-asa ng bayan.
Hello mga kababayan! So today we are going to go around the streets to find out if the spirit of Jose Rizal still lives in the lives of the Filipinos today. So we are going to interview 25 random individuals and to know their thoughts about Rizal's life, about the works of Rizal in general. So tara, samahan nyo kami!
Yes.
Oo naman, naladama pa rin natin yung mga contribution at mga sakripisyo na pinakita ni Jose Rizal. Gaya nung pagsasakripisyo niya na binigay niya kanyang buhay sa ating bansa, siyempre naman malaking ambag yun para sa ating bansa.
Yes, Jose Rizal's work and life continue to inspire and influence Filipinos today. His writings and legacy remain relevant, and he is still celebrated through various forms of art, literature, and national events.
Yes, I can still see and feel the value of Jose Rizal's works and life because he fought for freedom using his writings. His words opened the minds of Filipinos and continue to inspire us today.
Oo, madarama at makikita ko pa rin ang halaga ng mga gawa at buhay ni Jose Rizal. Dahil hanggang ngayon ay gabay ito sa pagiging makabayan at makatao sa kanyang panulat at sakripisyo na unawaan ko ang kahalagahan ng edukasyon, kalayaan at pagmamahal sa bayan.
So as a law student, I can really see and feel how Rizal impacted our current society. Of course, inculcating the value of rule of law. Rizal was a reformist during his time, and because of this, he intended that reform is a much better structure for development, not only of the government, but of the youth, and also culture in Filipinos. So, in addition to that, not only that he inculcated the rule of law, the importance of the rule of law in today's society, also gave to us this idea that, of course, the kabataan are the pag-asa ng bayan. So, it is an ideal that still holds true today and for many generations to come.
To be honest, para sa akin, rarely na lang siya actually makita kasi more of makita lang natin yung works ni Jose Rizal kapag nasa school setting na kasi tayo kasi we're required to learn that kasi it's part of our curriculum. So, yung parang it's not seen in an everyday or a casual setting, more of like in an academic lang na situation.
I can still feel and see the value of the works of our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, even as an adult that has finished my high school studies here in the Philippines. Dr. Jose Rizal has definitely influenced the youth, especially with loving their own culture and adopting the Filipino values as their own, and making sure that people don't forget where they come from, even though they might come to other countries and explore the world, but they still remember that within their hearts and at their core they're still Filipinos.
For me, yes, because as you all know, Jose Rizal's work is mainly focusing on freeing the people of the Philippines from those Spaniards. So, yes, I can still feel and see the values of work of Jose Rizal.
Oo, ramdam at kita ko pa rin ang halaga ng Jose Rizal sa kanyang mga isinulat, kanyang Tangere at El Filibusterismo. Itinuro niya ang pagmamahal sa bayan, kung gaano ng importansya ang edukasyon at paglaban sa kalayaan. Kaya nga hanggang ngayon, inspirasyon pa rin siya ng mga Pilipino.
Yes, I can still see the value of the works of Rizal. As you can see here in the Philippines, circulation, I can see the patriotism or magka-Pilipino ng mga different Filipino. Then, kato di ba ang goal ni Jose Rizal to fight the oppression and to show that how strong our Filipinos are. So, I can see that the Filipinos in the present right now, or the present right now, in the present is still encompass that ugali. So I think
So yes, I can still feel and see the value of the life and works of Jose Rizal. Since childhood, we've been taught about him, not just as a national hero, but as someone who lived and died for the love of his country. His writings opened the eyes for the Filipinos to see the injustices during his time. And his courage inspired a revolution, not of violence, but of thought and conviction. However, as time passes, it's unfortunate that many tend to forget the deeper meaning behind his life. Although Rizal is a part of our curriculum, his true significance often fades into the background. We remember the dates, the titles, the facts, but we forget the heartfelt message that we should love our country and we should fight for justice and believe in the power of education and unity.
Yes, I still see and feel the value of Jose Rizal's works, especially today wherein our country is experiencing more societal issues. His words challenged injustice, awakened the nation, and proved that knowledge and truth are powerful tools for change. And these things are reflected in two of his most famous works, No Limitaje and El Filibusterismo.
Yes, Rizal works still matter today. His books open the eyes of Filipinos and continue to inspire love for country, education, and unity.
Yes, I can still feel and see the value of Jose Rizal's works and life because his writings continue to inspire national pride and critical thinking among Filipinos. His advocacy for peaceful reform and patriotism remains relevant in addressing the challenges our society faces today. And of course, through his legacy, we are reminded of the power of knowledge and the importance of standing up for what is right.
Feel magyapon ako ang value ni Rizal sa pinagi sa iyang kinabuhi o iyang mga works kay tungkol sa iyang mga novel na El Fili o sa No Limitaje. Na-open niya ang eyes sa mga tao kay ipaglaban yun niya ang freedom sa country o
na nadama at nakikita ko pa rin katulad ng aklat ni Rizal. Ako'y kolehiyo. Natalakay din namin ang kanyang buhay sa pakikipaglaban sa mga Kastila at ang kanyang buhay pag-ibig katulad ng aking maalala ay si Josephine Braque na kanyang tunay na pinibigyan niya ng pag at ang pagkikipaglaban niya at sa kanyang paggawa ng El Filibusterismo at ang No Limitaje na aking
yes, I can see I can see Rizal's works in my experiences because some of my classmates are they stand by Rizal's words that education is the most powerful tool upon us.
So the life and works of Dr. Jose Rizal continues to hold great value in today's society because through his novels, he showed that the unfair treatment of Filipinos during Spanish rule and encouraged people change through education and truth. He believed in fighting with ideas and not with weapons. He believed also that through education and knowledge, which inspires people today to seek justice in peaceful ways. And Rizal's love for the country and his bravery reminds us to be proud of our identity and to stand up for what is right. His legacy lives in our schools, values, and national pride.
In my opinion, I do not feel the value of the works of life of Jose Rizal. He is the one of the most famous hero in our country, but his work isn't that valued like before because we are evolving right now. Most of the teenagers like me likes K-pop, famous artists and idols to the point that our national heroes are left behind and forgotten.
Tuwing nakikita ko si Rizal, nararamdaman ko pa din ang kanyang mga nagawa sa ating bansa. Tulad ng pagiging matapang at may puso sa bawat Pilipino. Yung pag makita ko kasi si Rizal sa aking perspective, ang nagawa niya sa ating bansa is bigyan tayo ng freedom para magawa yung mga bagay na gusto natin at saka pa-explore sa mundo natin. And tinuruan niya ako mahalin ang ating sariling atin at ipaglaban ng ating mga rights sa ating sariling buhay at paglaban ko ang tama.
Yes, in today's generation naman is Pilipinas, di ba parang ginagawa sila sa history siya man talaga yung parang backbone of my Philippine history. And madami talaga siya nagbabago yung parang ginawa niya sa war, gano'n. Like, madami siya na-inspire na mga people na courageous.
Oo, hanggang ngayon, damang-dama ko pa rin ang halaga ng mga ginawa ni Rizal para sa bayan. Yung mga isinulat niya ay hindi lang basta kwento ng nakaraan. Hanggang ngayon, may saysay pa rin ang mga isyong kinakaharap ng bansa. Sa pamamagitan ng kanyang buhay, natutunan ko kung gaano kahalaga ang edukasyon, tapang at pagmamahal sa bayan.
While the younger generation may not focus as much on Jose Rizal these days, his legacy remains vital. In a fast-changing world like today, his contributions continue to shape our national identity and guide us forward.
Ang mga gawa at buhay ni Jose Rizal ay hindi nawawalan ng saysay dahil ang kanyang mga pinaglaban ay patuloy pa rin laban ng maraming Pilipino ngayon sa pamamagitan ng kanyang mga panulat at hindi marahas na pamamaraan ng pakikibaka. Ipinakita niya na maaring magbago ang lipunan sa payapang paraan. Ang kanyang halimbawa ay isang paalala sa atin na ang tunay na pagmamahal sa bayan ay nasusukat sa pagkilos, pagkakaisa at pagbibigay ng halaga sa karapatan ng bawat isa.
Parang nai-relate natin kumbaga parang mas masigapit tayo ng mga kabayan pa rin at kahit na maliit na contribution na lang sa ating bansa nating tulong na rin yan not particular na gagayahin natin yung contribution lang na suporta sa ating bansa na magkakaisa at pati sakripisyo na kagaya ng mga ginawa niya Noli Tahiri kahit sa pagsusulat lang kumbaga malaking impact sa ating bansa para maging kabayan tayo.
I can say that Rizal's ideals and sacrifices still inspire people and give them a strong sense of nationalism and patriotism, encouraging many Filipinos to work towards the country's improvement.
Yes, every time I remember Rizal, I feel proud to be a Filipino and more inspired to help the country in my own way. His love for the Philippines reminds me to do my part no matter how small to make a difference.
Oo, tuwing naiisip ko si Jose Rizal, muling nabubuhay ang sigasig kong pagmamahal sa bayan. Ang kanyang mga ginawa ay paalala sa kahit sa simpleng paraan. Maaari akong maging bahagi ng pagbabago.
Of course, course, whenever I actually read the works of Rizal and internalize what he has done for our country, you can really feel, should feel a sense of patriotism, because not only he gave his life to wanted the future generations to actually fight for their country, not only, and this also as well opened the eyes of the KKK Katipunan, several works, literature. He impacted a lot of people. Those who read his works of art actually were open to the injustices during that time. Of course, patriotism is a value that is instilled by Rizal.
Like siguro parang hindi talaga natin makalimutan yung like works and yung contributions ni Jose Rizal sa Philippines and how Philippines is shaped now. Pero parang pag makita ko siya, thankful lang ako, pero it doesn't give me the drive na to become just like him. Ganun.
Whenever I still see and remember our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, I feel driven to be patriotic about my country as he has died for the patriotism and the love for of this country, the Philippines. It inspires me as well to love my country and be a bit more patriotic in terms of engaging in more cultural Filipino activities, as well as implementing and adapting it and influencing the youth in this country very seriously.
Yes, because every time I heard story of Rizal, it's very sacrifices he made just to keep our country from Spaniard. I really appreciate the sacrifices that he made just for us.
Opo, tuwing nakikita ko kasi si Jose Rizal sa mga libro, nararamdaman ko pa rin ang inspirasyon ng pagiging mas makabayan at tumulong sa mga kapwa sa simpleng paraan.
Yes, I can still see or observe the nationalistic and patriotic side or patriotic value of Filipinos due to Jose Rizal, because we can observe sa mga news, mga radio na magpapatikan or sa mga social media na napaglaban atong sarili as a Filipino. Even though na makita natin na isa sa mga developing country, sisina ta, pero we are very proud as a Filipino, like kasi hindi natakay paglaban din natin atong sarili para sa mga Kastila. We can also observe sa mga contest sa live bands or contest worldwide like Miss Universe, like show nila ang pagka-patriotic the candidate to show ang iyang pagka-patriotic and nationalistic by sharing the values of Filipino or show how good we are Filipinos
So whenever I remember Jose Rizal, I do feel a renewed sense of patriotism and nationalism. He reminds me that we have a role to play in shaping our nation, no matter how small it is. His life pushes me to strive for excellence, not just for myself, but for the betterment of our country. And that Rizal teaches us that true love for the Philippines or our country is not just shown in grand gestures, but in everyday choices, like choosing to be honest, giving justice to others, serving others, and to contribute to our nation's progress.
For the second question, whenever I remember Jose Rizal, I feel inspired to be more patriotic, but not through big gestures. It can be through small actions like helping my community, helping the people around me, staying informed, and standing for what is right, doing what is morally right and just. So his life reminds me that love for our country is shown through action, and that action is not always does not always mean grand gestures. So all in all, Rizal may be from the past, but his impact is alive, and through him, we're reminded that every Filipino can be a force for change, that we can also be heroes in our own time. Thank you.
Yes. Remembering Rizal makes me proud to be a Filipino. His love and sacrifice for country inspires me to do my best for the nation.
Yes, whenever I see and remember Jose Rizal, I feel a renewed sense of duty to serve the country and uphold the values he fought for through his life and works.
Yes, I feel more proud na ako ay isang Pilipino kay na-remember na ko si Jose Rizal na gilove jud niya ang atong country, Pilipinas. Gi-sacrifice niya, kamatyan jud niya ang Pilipinas na siya ipaglaban, which is ang atong freedom. So, ina-inspire niya ang generation karon na work hard, na study jud og tarong.
Oo, nararamdaman ko pa rin ang pagiging makabayan at makabansa dahil nga sa sinabi nga na sa kwento ni Rizal na nagbigay nga siya ng sakripisyo sa ating bansa sa pamamagitan ng pagsulat, di ba? So, bilang mamamayang Pilipino, tayo ay kabilang sa pakikipaglaban sa kalayaan natin. So, gaya din ni Rizal, as individual, sa isang Pilipino na kagaya ko, kaya din natin makipaglaban sa ating karapatan. Bansa. Yun lang.
Yes, because in our recent discussions, we talked about Rizal and his life and works, and yes, it did make me proud as a Filipino, and his words came onto me that education is the most powerful tool upon us.
Yes, remembering Jose Rizal still inspires me to love and serve the country. His bravery and sacrifice reminds us to be proud of being Filipino and to stand for what is right. He showed that we can help our country through education, truth, and kindness. His life pushes us to be better citizens and to care more of the Philippines.
For me, sometimes I do feel it, but sometimes I don't. Because most of the Filipinos I encountered want to get out of this country because of the leaders we have right now, and it makes me feel disappointed. Some people love Philippines, but most of the Filipinos want to get out of this country as soon as they can.
In terms of about patriotism, someone with a started generation something wrong about this generation. Dili much appreciate and kung unsa data karon kaysa sa unsa nito so kung ako dapat more on patriotism dapat first na to ang importance sa in terms of generation dapat i-value sa inyo nato kasi sa generation karon na dapat kailangan natin i-give importance.
Oo, ma-feel ko yung mga gigawa niya dahil sa kanya malaya akong gawin ang lahat ng gusto ko at nagpapaalala na dapat kung ipagmalaki ang ating sariling bansa at ang ating pagka-Pilipino at gumawa ng mabuti sa kapwa. We millennials are driven to love the likes and interests of other countries that we often forget what is ours. Looking back at this, na-realize ko na need talaga i-embrace ang pagiging Pilipino ko.
For me po, yung sinabi ko yung straight from illustration. Ma-feel ko pa yung patriotism ko as a Filipino. Knowing sa history ni Rizal kasi inspiring talaga yung story ni Rizal for me. Tapos pinagtahanan, siya sa mga tao, pero yun lang po, drive ko siya sa motivation for all people.
Oo, tuwing naiisip ko si Rizal, parang muling nabubuhay ang diwa ng pagiging makabayan sa akin. Naalala ko pa yung sinabi niya na ang hindi marunong magmahal sa sariling wika ay higit pa sa hayop at malansang isda. Kaya handa akong ipagmalaki ang pagiging Pilipino ko at mahalin ang kultura natin at gumawa ng mabuti para sa bansa sa kahit maliit na paraan.
For me, patriotism isn't solely inspired by Jose Rizal, but his sacrifices still matter. My motivation comes from wanting to see our country grow and improve. True patriotism today means facing current challenges and working towards a better future for our country, the Philippines.
Sa tuwing naiisip ko si Rizal, hindi ko maiwasang magnilay kung paano ko rin ma-share ang aking sarili para sa ating bayan o sa Pilipinas. Ang kanyang buhay ay nagsilbing gabay upang maitaguyod ko ang kabutihang panlahat, lalo na sa panahon ng krisis at kawalang katarungan. Ang sigasig na kanyang ipinamalas ay nagsilbing apoy na nagtulak sa akin upang maging responsable, makialam sa mga kasamping pambansa at magsikap para sa kaikaunlad ng ating, hindi lamang ng aking sarili, kundi ng buong bansa.
Pagkatapos namin mag-interview patungkol kay Rizal, na-realize ko na ang laki pa rin pala talaga ng impact na nagawa niya sa atin. Yung mga isinulat niya, relevant pa rin hanggang ngayon. Kahit nga sa schools lang natin siya nakikita, ramdam pa rin yung passion niya for freedom and justice. His story reminds us to love our country, fight for what's right, and never kalimutan kung saan tayo nanggaling. Nakaka-proud isipin na kahit anong generation, buhay pa rin yung spirit ni Rizal sa puso ng bawat Pilipino. So to answer the question, Rizal's legacy is still super relevant today. His contributions continue to shape our national pride, inspire us to push for change, and remind us that the power of knowledge and unity can really make a difference.
Para sa akin, I can help preserve Rizal's legacy by learning more about his life and works, at i-share ito lalo na sa mga kabataan. Simple acts like reading Noli at Elfili, joining school events during Rizal Day, tapos pagrespeto sa mga bayani helps keep his spirit alive. I can also use my voice sa social media or sa daily conversations to promote patriotism. Kahit sa pagsimpleng pagtangkilik sa sariling atin at sa pagsabuhay ng values ni Rizal like courage and love for our country. We honor his memory. Sabi nga ni Rizal, ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makakarating sa paroroonan.